Hey, how's it going? Today I'm gonna try to recycle an old camping fridge into an aircraft service trolley. So we've got this old camping fridge. This box here has all of the refrigeration system in the top lid here. It used to have the cord coming out of here, which we plugged into my car. But as you've seen in the last video, I've taken the fridge out because I needed the space, and now we're gonna transform this one and put it into this bad boy to make this a fridge. So I have cut out a piece of timber which is gonna come into the trolley. The greatest achievement of today was this little guy here, because I have a slight little leak in my window here. It's been dripping down and going inside of the door, and I've built this little ramp where I can run over and drop on the floor. I had to stop and do a break because it was raining too much. It's not fun doing it out in the rain, so we shall continue today or tomorrow, I don't know. We'll see. Another day and I am continuing the fridge build. I've already done the plate which is going to come into the aircraft trolley, and I've even put some sort of insulation piece of rubber around it. I thought that we're just gonna leave that as it is. I've put a hole in the side here for the cords to come out so we can plug that in. The aircraft service trolley is now clean. All cleaned out, it looks beautiful. There are holes in the top here for the air to come in, and in the back here to come back out again. So now, all that's left to do is put in this piece here, because the air comes in here, gets out there. It's gonna be really tight underneath. So hopefully these holes align. So this plate comes in here. This one's gonna go beautifully, just beautiful, and then it's gonna slide in here. Okay. I might put a little bit of insulation on the sides and then cover up the top bit, but apart from that, that should be it. So you might be wondering where this is gonna come. And because we have just taken out the back of the car, this is how the fridge is gonna sit in the van. Don't know how it's gonna work out yet. Hopefully it does work. That's it for now, and I will talk to you soon.